Like, yo, quit frequency transmission. Hell, this might be a long one. Hell, this might be a long one. When dropping your jewels, your frequencies out there and shit like that, if they are still going the same speed, they motherfucking vehicle stuff like that, you shit, and they vehicles shit like that. Not even trying to hear. Not even trying to pause in the time to tune in to frequency you putting out there. Then instant they just ain't meant to catch it. Shut the motherfucking piece and let them keep strolling, rolling along on their own passenger and shit like that shit. Do not fuck up your higher itinerary and stuff like that. Do not fuck up your higher itinerary and shit like that. Just to get your points across to folks. Don't. Just to higher those frequencies, just to connect frequency wise shit, cause they going. That's the motherfucker it. You know? Shoot. I'm like, shoot. And then another thing. Okay. Have folks, have beings in human vessels and shit like that. Do not, and I know we all got different energies, shit like that. Do not even want to cast a motherfucking bit of acknowledgement, like, at all. You might not even, I'm like, hey, you might not be resonating with my frequencies that I put out there and shit like that. It's a motherfucking Libra moon too. You might not resonate with frequencies out there I put out there and shit like that. But at least you fucking do. At least you fucking do. It's harmonized a bit. That's what at least the fucks you would do. And that goes for anybody else. You know? You know? Like, and then Mercury is on and the red cusp between Leo and Virgo. So it's like from receiving from a multiverse, the maintenance of our spiritual security, the guides of awareness, and the crux of what to manifest in 3D. Now we're seeing how to take that and actually put in tangible action, how to think on how to shift the 3D with. This ain't the time. This ain't the time to just be standing on a platform with your messages. No. And red cuss. This ain't time to be standing just on a platform with your message. Virgo is the lowly. It started being about time to get out and back. Where it ain't high up, but where it's low down and still spread that message. Still spread those frequencies. That's bad with time. It is. All right, peace, love, Gnosis. All chocolate, 3 fin, star, 6, 3 spatial, y'all.